Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this vlog guys, I wanted to share with you kung ano yung binili ko na feeling ko is very worth it kasi I've been wanting to have an iWatch, but then again based on price, it's quite pricey for me, and I do believe na this watch or smart fitness watch also works because it's also perform its purpose like the iWatch itself. So today I'll just do unboxing for that watch that I bought, and I'll be sharing with you kung bakit ko siya binili and what makes me decide na yun na lang muna ang gamitin ko while I don't have any iWatch. So first of all, let's just do the unboxing. Alright, so I bought it for $128 only for that unit, and they gave me a free strap. Anyway, this one, it already comes with a strap, which is, I chose pink color, so easy to pair with clothes and easy to pair with anything, any outfit, ganun. So it also comes with a free strap. So yung free strap niya guys is color orange. Wala na kasing ibang available na color. I wanted to have black or mint green, but they don't have it anymore. This is the only one available, so it's fine, it's just free anyway. And ayun, so if you buy just the strap, it's only $28. By the way, one of the reason why I bought this Smart Fit is easier to maintain kasi mura lang yung strap niya, unlike sa iWatch is medyo mahal din yung strap lang. So yeah, I'm also hoping that I can upgrade it to iWatch, but then I'm happy for this because I watch so many reviews and I like it, and I think it really helps for me for my work and my workout. So it's sealed. Hindi ko na siya pinabukas sa shop kasi gusto ko ako mismo magbubukas. Anyway, I already have the idea. So yun. So yan na guys, yung watch na siya. And nakakabit na siya agad sa watch mo. Ang ganda niya guys. So basically it's lighter. It's 21 grams only. And I like it also because it's easy to adjust kasi mas marami siyang hole compared to iWatch. So let's I won't do a review about this. I'm not good at reviews, but I'll just let you know what are the features na nagustuhan ko sa kanya. So now, in-on ko na siya. So it's Huawei. Alright, so what's inside the box also is the charger. Wala na din siyang adapter, which is, it's okay kasi marami namang ibang adapter dyan and it's environmental friendly. I don't need so much adapters actually, and the manual is quite thick kasi it's in different languages. Alright, so I'm so excited guys. Diba ganda yung charger niya kasi very sobrang nag-stick siya talaga sa watch. So it's magnet. Alright, so yan, pwede siyang nakasabit lang na naka-charge. And one more thing I like about it is the battery life. The battery life is longer than iWatch. It even 1 day. And it's 1.64-inch AMOLED display, 12 animated fitness courses. This is one of the best features na nagustuhan ko kasi meron siyang parang animated na magtuturo sa'yo kung ano yung mga good workouts for you. And then 12 animated fitness courses and 96 workout modes. So ngayon umuulan, so hindi ako pwedeng lumabas para i-try siya, pero yeah, maybe in the future I think this will be very helpful for me kasi I'm being health conscious na, parang madali akong napapagod and madali akong hinihingal. So for this one, I would like to try kung I'm not really try, but I want to monitor my health because there is a full health monitoring like blood pressure, oxygen, stress level, and sleep rate as well. And then aside from that is they do have also built-in GPS, and it's water resistance. Alright, so this is 1-year warranty. I bought it in Challenger. Here it's just nearby in Chongbaru. And then, so that's all. That's what in the box. So, this is the watch itself. Hindi ko muna siya i-charge. So, my language, my English UK, and then Espanol, and anything. So, let's choose English. Okay, English. Download Huawei Health on your phone, then add this device. also choose watch faces. So, currently, ito yung default niya. But I'll show you kung ano yung mga choices. So, yun na siya guys. Napalitan ko na. Alright guys, so yun na yung mga pinakita kong features niya. Yan. So, BPM, hindi ko siya mapakita. BPM is 80. Normal sa age ko is 60 to 100. So, normal lang siya. Then, dito makikita yung ibang features niya. Heart rate, SP, O2, activity record, sleep, stress, breathing exercises, notification, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight. Oh, may flashlight din pala siya, guys. Yun. So, find phone. May find phone din siya. Alright. It won't ring kasi ginagamit ko yung phone ko ngayon. Then, may settings din. Settings. And then, yung display, kasi medyo mabilis siya. Watch face. Okay. And then, strength. Do not disturb. Workout setting system. About. So, yung display, guys. Guys, so that's all, guys. Yung share ko lang yung bili kong watch fit. Overall, I'm happy about it. Based on price-wise, mas mura siya. Anyway, it's the same features. I mean, there are similar features of the iWatch. Although I'm not closing doors, I might have iWatch in the future. But for the meantime, I think this will be very helpful for me for my work and workout. So, kailangan ko na i-monitor yung sleep ko, blood pressure, and oxygen. So, that's all, guys. Overall, I like it. And I can say that if you wanna monitor your health as well, especially now, we're having this difficulties in the entire world. So, we have to monitor our health. So, that's all, guys. Basically, it's a thumbs up. And if you do have any questions, just help me put some comments down below and do subscribe on my YouTube channel. By the way, guys, for this one, I will just be having a review after a week of using it. So, for now, it's just truly unboxing because kakabili ko lang siya. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you on my next vlog.